Today we are going to solve this question, that is 8 raised to power of x minus 1, that is equal to 18. We need to find x value here. X is in the exponent. How can you solve that? Let's see now. Observe the LHS. LHS we have 8 raised to power of x minus 1. This we can write it as 8 raised to power of x plus minus 1. That means it is in the form of a power m plus n. We can write this as a power m times a power n, isn't it? So we can write this as 8 raised to power of x times 8 raised to power of minus 1. This 8 raised to power of minus 1 we can write it as 1 over 8. After simplifying, then you will get 8 raised to power of x over 8. So let's write it here, 8 raised to power of x over 8, that is equal to 18. In the denominator we have 8. To get rid of this, both sides multiply by 8. If both sides, if you do multiply 8, then here 8 gets cancelled. So you left only 8 raised to power of x, that is equal to 18 times 8. Now we need to find x value, but x is in the exponent. Whenever you have the x value is in the exponent, you need to apply the log. So let's take log on both sides. Log 8 raised to power of x, that is equal to log 18 times 8. Observe this log 8 power x, it is in the form of log of a power m. We can write this as m times log a. So let's write x times log 8, that is equal to, here it is in the form of log of ab. We can write this as log a plus log b. So we can write this as log 18 plus log 8. We need to find the x value. In LHS we have log 8 also. So to get rid of that log 8, we need to divide both sides by log 8. So divide by log 8 on both sides. Then log 8 gets cancelled. So we left only x, that is equal to. The denominator this log 8, it applies for the numerator 2 terms, isn't it? So that's why I am writing individually. Log 18 over log 8 plus log 8 over log 8. This log 8 gets cancelled, so we left only 1 here. Now we have 18 and here 8. This 18 we can write it as 2 times 9, isn't it? 2 times 9. This 8 we can write it as 2 power 3. Again this log 2 power 3, it is in the form of log of a power m. We can write this as m times log a. Denominator we can write it as 3 times log 2. And the numerator log 2 times 9, it is in the form of log ab. We can write this as log a plus log b. So we can write this as log 2 plus log 9 plus 1. Again this denominator, it applies for these two terms. Now let's write individually. Log 2 over 3 log 2, that is the first term, plus the second term is log 9 over 3 log 2 plus 1. Here log 2 gets cancelled, so we left only 1 over 3. So let's write 1 over 3. Now see 1 over 3, and this is a constant and this 1 also constant. So after adding 1 over 3 plus 1, we will get 4 over 3. This 9 we can write it as 3 power 2. So now it is in the form of log of a power n. We can write it as m times log a, that is 2 times log 3. 2 times log 3. Now we can, this is in the numerator we have 2 as constant and denominator we have 3 as constant. So we can write this as 2 over 3 times log 3 over log 2. So now observe this. Log 3 over log 2, it is in the form of log a over log b, that is equal to, we can write this as log a base b. Similarly, this we can write it as log 3 with base 2. This is our x value. But is this x value satisfied our given expression or not? Let's go ahead and check this. So what is our given expression? 8 raised to power of x minus 1, that is equal to 18. 8 raised to power of x minus 1. Let's take left hand side and we are going to prove that it is going to be 18. So what is our x value? Our x value is 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 with base 2. In the LHS, what you have? 8 raised to power of x minus 1. So first we simplify this x minus 1, then we can substitute in the exponent. So we are going to simplify x minus 1. So this is the x value. So if we take minus 1 and here also minus 1, now 4 over 3 minus 1 are constants. So 4 over 3 minus 1, after taking LCM as 3, then do simplification, then you will get 1 over 3, isn't it? So 4 over 3 minus 1, which gives 1 over 3. Let's write 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 with base 2. Here 3 and here 3. So that means denominator is common. Let's take it as common. At numerator we have 1 plus 2 log 3 with base 2. Now observe only this logarithm term. 2 times log 3 with base 2. It is in the form of m times log a, isn't it? So we can write this as log of a power m. So we can write this as log 3 whole power 2 with base 2. So after simplifying this x minus 1, then we got 1 plus log 3 power 2, we can write it as 9 with base 2 over 3. This is x minus 1 value. Now substitute here. Instead of x minus 1, I am going to write 8 raised to power of 1 plus log 9 with base 2 over 3. Here we, at the denominator we have 3. If you write this 8 in terms of 2 power 3, then 3 gets cancelled. So let's write 8 as 2 power 3. Now this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. So you left only 2 raised to power of 1 plus log 9 with base 2. Now it is in the form of a power m plus n. You can write it as a power m times a power n, isn't it? When exponents are same, we can add the powers. So let's use that property. We can write this as 2 raised to power of 1 times 2 raised to power of log 9 with base 2. 2 raised to power of 1, which gives 2 only. Now observe this term. Recall one of the logarithm property, that is a power log constant n with base a. We can write this as, here we have a and here we have a. If we have same like that, you can simply we can write it as n. Similarly, what we have 2 log 9 with base 2. Here we have 2 and here we have 2. Simply this we can write it as 9. So use that property here. Then instead of this 2 raised to power of log 9 with base 2, we can write it as 9. So 2 times 9, which gives 18. It is same as our right hand side. So that means x value satisfied our given expression. So x value is 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 with base 2. If you want to simplify this, here denominators are same, we can simplify that. Take 3 as LCM, then we left 4 plus 2 log 3 with base 2. It is in the form of m times log a. We can write this as log 3 power 2. 3 power 2, which is, we can write this as 9. 4 plus log 9 with base 2 over 3. That is the x value. If you want to simplify this, you can simplify like that. Otherwise, this is the x value. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.